Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Ms. Shagufta Ibrahim is here with your social studies final term lesson, the first chapter, Layers of the Earth. We are going to begin our first chapter and the first topic, Layers of Earth. Look at this picture. As all of you know, the Earth is made up of layers of rock. If we could slice up the Earth, this is what it would look like. This picture, these layers are the crust. Look at this, these layers are, if we slice up the earth, it will look like this: the crust, the outermost part of the earth, the mantle, and the outer core and inner core. So there are three layers of the earth: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The core is divided into outer core and the inner core. New terminology which we are going to use in the chapter: molten, reduced to liquid form by heating. The rocks which are reduced to liquid form through the temperature or by heating is known as molten rock. Eruptions burst out. Geologist, a person who studies the structure and composition of earth. These terms we are going to use in the topic. Now we will study the crust. Two types of crust. The crust beneath the ocean is called the oceanic crust. Look at here. This oceanic crust, this is the ocean, and the part of crust beneath this ocean is known as the oceanic crust. Another part is the crust beneath the continents is called the continental crust. This is the continent, and the crust beneath this continent is known as continental crust. So these are the two parts of crust: the oceanic crust and the continental crust. It is the outermost layer of earth carrying oceans and the land. Thickness: oceanic crust is about 5 to 10 kilometers thick under the oceans. The continental crust is about 30 to 50 kilometers thick under the continents. It is the coolest and thinnest layer of the earth. Crust is broken into pieces called tectonic plates, which are moving constantly because they are floating on a layer of molten rock. So if something is thrown on the liquid, like a piece of wood, it will float constantly because it is on the surface of a liquid. Same like this, the crust is also floating on the layer of the molten rock. It is all the time constantly moving because it is floating on a layer of molten rock. Mantle. It is the second and the thickest layer of the earth. Its appearance and texture is like a jelly and thick custard. Thickness: it is about 2900 kilometers thick. It is much hotter than the crust. Composition: it's mainly made up of silicon, magnesium. Others minerals are iron, aluminium, calcium, sodium, potassium in smaller quantities. So mantle is the layer, it is the thickest layer of the earth and have all the minerals in it, which you have seen in this slide. Okay, all these aluminium, calcium, sodium, and potassium and other smaller quantities of minerals are uh, contained in this layer. Core. Geologists divide the core into two parts: the outer core. Outer core, it lies below the mantle and it is a liquid layer. It is about 2266 kilometer thick. It is made up of nickel and iron. Two main uh, minerals are nickel and iron. This is the composition of core, outer core. The temperature of outer core is 4000 Celsius to 6100 Celsius. It is very hot. Inner core. It is the innermost layer of the earth. It is a solid ball about 1,220 kilometers wide. It is also made up of nickel and iron. It is almost as hot as the sun. This is the hottest of all. Diagram. Through the diagram, you can also understand the layers, the composition, and the placement of these layers. Look at this continental crust. It is beneath the continent. This is known as the continental crust, and oceanic crust is beneath the ocean. This layer is beneath this ocean. This blue color shows the ocean, and the layer beneath this is known as the oceanic crust. The crust, then upper crust, this is the crust, and this is upper mantle, and this is the lower mantle. Outer core liquid form में होता है. This is the liquid of outer core, and inner core is in solid form. Another term is written here, lithosphere. Lithosphere, the crust and the mantle together are called the lithosphere. Look at here, this crust and mantle together, these are known as a lithosphere. The lithosphere is undergoing a constant physical and chemical changes. Some of these changes are very slow and we cannot feel these changes. These are unnoticeable and take place over a long time. All changes in lithosphere affect life on Earth. So this is the composition and placement of different layers of the Earth. You can see in this diagram. Now this is the copy work for you. Complete your assignments on time, because all of you know that your assignments are marked. You will get the marks, and these marks will be included in your midterm exams. So please complete your assignments and do all the worksheets completed on time. That's all for today, and another copy work is draw and label 3 layers of the earth in your copy. Also, with the help of your textbook, you can take help from your textbook for coloring the different layers of the earth. It's on page 58. So draw this diagram in your copy, a colorful diagram in your copy, and complete your work. That's all for today. We will meet inshallah in next class. Allah Hafiz.